Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. Today, Wednesday, 24 April 2024. My trade directions for today will be long on the US, the CAD and the Aussie, and short on the yen, the pound and the Swiss. And at the end of this video, I'll show you my favorite trade idea for today. So let's get started. Dollar index giving up completely yesterday. A lot of pressure coming in on the dollar. I can even see on my intraday indicator, dollar kept dropping there, but still in the green zone, still strong. I get the feeling we're busy forming a flag pattern here, but this is early days. I'm not saying it is a flag. It's early days. I would love to see a retracement still back to this area here. Everything bullish, short term, medium, long term. Intraday still bullish, although the Aussie and the CAD is sweeping the floor with the US. It's still stronger than 5 of the other currencies. But this could be a consolidation, and then if it breaks above that high, then definitely we'll see some more dollar bullishness coming in, maybe retesting those highs here on the left. Other than that, I would like to see a retracement to retest this big level here. Look at this big structure here. So I still have the feeling we could see this, but you know, you have to keep your options open. Then gold bouncing off the 2300 levels, which is a big support level in general. Big white candle resting a little bit, so this is bearish. Strong dollar, I'll still stay bearish here. Not that I will short it. On the long term, I'm still very bullish here. There's a lot of interest in gold, but at some stage it needs to sell off a little bit, right? So finding support, but not enough to get me to go long here on any intraday charts. In Bitcoin pushing hard and solid. Most of the cryptos are pushing very nicely hard. Still worried about this level. We will still watch this level when it get there. I'm not saying it will get there, so don't say I'm going to buy just up to there. No, it's too late. But I will see how the market responds there. At this stage, I see a lot of bullishness. I see a lot of pressure on cryptocurrencies, bullish pressure I mean. So I'm definitely not bearish. It's just levels that I'm a little bit worried about. We then look at the heat map of cryptocurrencies. You see the weekly is very green, very bullish. I like the weekly direction. That gives me a good feeling for the market. If you look at the dailies, a little bit less green, but still green in general. Here and there is a red bubble, but most of the bubbles are green. The monthly is still very negative because of the consolidation now of the run on the news of the ETFs. And then the halving, and that's all done now, so we will play catch up. The weekly is the early indicator of the monthly that will change, but you can see a lot of green coming back in the week. We were being red on the week for the last how long now, and on the monthly. So now we're finding daily turning green, weekly nicely green. So yeah, seems like there is some momentum. However, I'm still worried about these levels. You look at Ethereum, I'm not going to show all the charts. Ethereum, Solana, they all got these levels to test. So let's see, don't do something stupid. If it cuts through, I'll be the happiest person in my life. I'm just worried about this retest. Then we look at the US yen. US still green zone, yen red zone, still interested in going long. That retest last night happens on the midnight bars. I don't trade those. So I would still like to see a retest here, hopefully, and then we can see a nice bounce on dollar strength coming back. But if we look at the daily charts on the dollar, we might see some more bearishness, but the yen is weakening a lot. So even if the dollar is weakening, the yen is still weakening. It was there and then there and then there. It's now even weaker than the pound. So at this stage, I'm still waiting patiently for either a retracement here or a retest there and then a candle reversal. And a bit on the indices. The S&P 500, we still got a strong dollar. If the dollar strength is weakening a little bit more, then I'll step away from this trade. But at this stage, the swing down, we got a nice resistance level coming in there at 51.20. So I need a strong candle reversal here. And at this stage, it will have to close virtually for me to short this very candle. Should close at least below the halfway mark here before I'll rate this as sort of a evening star, small bodies, and then the long black. I need this candle to close. If that's also black, I don't know, then it doesn't look that lucrative anymore. But something to watch for the morning session. And then the Nasdaq, Fibonacci retracement, 50 to 60 support, resistance. They haven't tested the level yet, so I would like to see a test and then a strong counter reversal here. On a strong dollar still, I'm stock market bearish. If that dollar drops one more spot, I'm gonna be cautious. I might take the trade, but very small still. On a weaker dollar that's stock market bullish, then I'll definitely completely step away. And the New Zealand US, testing the level, tested yesterday the level I've identified, testing it again. I need a good strong reversal here before I'll consider. New Zealand, US, they are getting iffish, so a cautious short. If it can close below the halfway mark of this white candle there, I'll say alright, I'll consider a short, but I'll still be cautious just because they are very close to each other there. They are fine. I'm worried about the trend that will change, but I need to take the trade if it comes up. This could be a morning star, evening star, if it closes below the halfway mark here. So I need a strong black candle before I will consider a short there. And the New Zealand CAD, New Zealand neutral, CAD, green zone, that's the one I'm after. By shorting this, I'll get along on the CAD, but I first need this level to be tested yet again. So it haven't tested yet. So when it tests again, let the bears prove themselves, and then I'll consider some shorts. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. And for more info, check out the link in the description below. Then the Euro Pound. Euro still strong, Pound still weak. Euro, not the one I'm after. I'm after the short and the pound, so I need a test here on this structure here, same as yesterday. If I get a test and a counter reversal, I'll then take some longs. On the Euro CAD. Euro, that's not what I'm after, but I'm after a CAD long, and by shorting the Euro CAD, I can get a CAD long. Tested that there on that spike, silly spike, but I would like to see it test again to see how the market respond there, and then let the bears prove themselves before I will consider. I need a strong reversal there before I'll take some shorts. Then the pound CAD, pound still very weak, CAD still very strong, that's what I'm after. Big swing, I need a retracement. I want to be short, but definitely not from these levels. I would like to see a retracement back to the 61% right at that structure there. When it gets there, let the bears prove themselves, and a strong counter reversal or double top or something, I'll then consider some shorts. Then my favorite trade idea for today is along on the Euro Yen. Now, Euro neutral, but I'm after this Yen short. So by going long here, that'll give me a Yen short. But if I can get a retest, this is a strong level, a very strong level. I can even expand it slightly to pick up that level also. I am more focused on this most recent level. But if I can get a retest of this area here with a good strong counter reversal, I'll definitely consider some longs, providing the Euro stays much stronger than the Yen. Preferably the Yen stays very weak down here. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program. You can also support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link below, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk. Don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.